shaping?
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
What would you say is your um, what would you just how would you describe your issues with shot shaping? And also trajectory, like being able to control
Yeah.
high and low,
I mean, as far as hitting the ball low, I haven't really been able to do that at all.
except for driver.
Yeah,
You hit your
except
driver low, but not the iron. Okay.
yeah, and then I can hit a draw all day, but I just can't cut the ball when I need to.
So when you try to cut it, what tends to happen?
It goes further left.
It goes further left. All right. Okay. Good. Well, I mean, you're a good player, and in the introduction of club face control
Hmm.
is not something that you are unfamiliar with.
Correct.
But I do think that adjusting some of that, or maybe changing how you're trying to control the club face, will matter to try to hit a cut. Now, we're good buddies, and we've played a lot of golf together, and so I know that when you do try to cut it, if it does curve right, which actually evidence for this last one here, when it does curve right,
Hmm.
it tends to start right and go more right.
Right.
Um,
Literally.
yeah, 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 right. And what we learned in the first lesson with driver
Hmm.
is that swing path has the biggest impact on starting direction,
Correct.
and then the club face position on top of that is going to then produce its total direction or the curve on the shot. So this last one, for example, in your warm ups, we see that it's the side angle was 8 degrees to the right, which is an indication that it was still a little into out,
Yeah.
and then the club face was open just a little bit to its path with 317 RPMs of side spin to the right, which is good. Um, so yeah, so I'd like to work today on you getting a feel for what do we need to do to get the cut to start on the right line and then fall to your target the way that you want to. Um,